Tama-tama. Wala tayo ng, ng Facebook.
Start na ba yan? Start na, start na.
Oh, start na. Bigat talaga, oh. Oh. Tinataboy sila ng alon.
Hindi, kaya ni Lian.
Race 20 was started and we can see that the
Si Ninong, oh Ninong. Ninong, tope. Ninong, tope.
The race of 22, followed by the Siglab Dragon.
Okay lang yan, sige. Kaya yan.
Onslaught is maintaining their pace.
Ay, power lang niya!
Let's go!
Iwan ang putik. Ay, sagwan!
Let's go!
Mabigat talaga. Ipakita mo yan mo! Diretso!
Yeah! Siglab Dragon is now on the lead for race 22, followed by Onslaught Racing Dragons Qatar B.
Wala, oh. Mabigat talaga dito sa anong to.
Dragon Warriors Qatar.
Kaya pa yan!
Let's go!
Kaya pa.
First place.
Kaya pa yan.
Gabby. Go Warriors! Siglab still on the lead. Almost
Kaya pa, habol pa.
meters. Go!
Sabay-sabay yung ano. Sagwan.
Sausaw na yung
Almost there. Siglab still on the lead.
Ha?